Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Okay, so I have a clean my fridge. Are you mocking mommy? Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have a clean my fridge with me. My fridge desperately needs a good cleaning. It is actually disgusting in there. I haven't cleaned it in, I don't even know how long, but it's been a while. So today, that is my goal today. So I'm gonna clean it today, and then I think I'm gonna, I think I'm gonna try and figure out like an organization system, and then I'll go out and buy whatever I need. My fridge is very small. So half of my fridge is my freezer, and then the other half is my fridge. Now I wish the top was my fridge and the bottom would be my freezer, but I don't have that. So that's like, my fridge is very small. So it's kind of hard to put anything else in there, but I need to try and figure something out because there's no organization in there, and it's just driving me crazy. I'm going to, so we're basically just gonna clean the fridge today, and then probably like another something I'll get what I think I need to organize it and see, and I'll show you guys all that. But today I'm gonna take everything out and just completely clean out everything in there. I might even do my freezer if I have time. I'm hoping that this one will fall asleep soon, so then I can actually clean the fridge, clean the freezer, and then in another video I'll do like I'll do a haul and how I organize it. But today I just need to get it cleaned. I actually should have done this yesterday because today was my garbage day. It would have made more sense for me to clean it yesterday, but oh well. I just need to clean it out. I've been putting it out for too long, so I'm gonna see if this one will fall asleep, and then when she sleeps, that's when I'll try and clean the fridge and put everything back. But for today's video, I'm just going to clean everything out, take everything. Come on, you gotta get down, 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 down. Okay guys, let's go over to my fridge and show you guys what I'm talking about. So let me give you guys a better angle of the fridge. So my fridge is built in, so basically all my appliances are grouped together. So the top is my microwave, oven, and then fridge. So that's the fridge. So this whole side is a freezer, and then this whole side is a fridge. So I feel like the fridge is narrow, and I wish it was the whole top was my fridge, and then the bottom would be my freezer. I would have loved that. But hi mama, what's wrong? So I'm gonna show you guys inside. So I'll show you the freezer first. So this is the freezer. See what I'm saying? Like, I could probably throw a lot of things out and need some serious organization in here. So there's a lot in here that I don't even know everything that's in here, to be honest with you. And this is a fridge. It is full, but trust me, I'm probably gonna end up throwing a lot of things out because a lot of things in here are old and probably like has gone bad, and there is no form of organization in here. So this is the door. I have very little space, so I'm just trying to show you as much as I can.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you.
Okay, so this is my fridge, completely empty. I'm not sure if I can get these off these mats. They're mats. You just take them off and wipe them off. Same thing over here. See? This one is so disgusting. Oh my gosh. I might have to just throw this one out. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And the last one also has a thing too. That can be all taken out. I don't know if I can wash these, but I might have to throw them out and get new ones. I'm not sure. So here is everything that was in the fridge. I'm probably gonna end up throwing half of this stuff out, to be honest. I feel like a lot of it has probably gone bad. And that's just my fridge telling me to close the door. So I'm gonna close the door for a bit and figure out.
Down to the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free.
It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the better below you said myself. That this is the last. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself for you. On the ground, I know the truth. I know the truth. I'm shaking now, 'cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the better below you said myself. That this is the last. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself for you. I know the truth. Oh no.
Okay guys, so this was in the bottom of my fridge. I think it's like a dried milk or something, but I actually went ahead and took everything out. It's all over here. I'm just hoping that I'll be able to put it back to where it was, because I seriously don't remember. This is the first time that I think this is the first time I've actually taken everything out of the fridge. Like, everything has been taken out. I wasn't planning on doing this. I didn't think I had to, but the fridge was pretty dirty, so I'm glad I'm doing it. But I just have, these come off easily too. Like, you just push them up and they come off. But yeah, just wanted to show you this on my floor that was in my fridge. So gross. Okay guys, I think I'm done. So I have eggs, milks, basically dairy up here, up at the top here. And then when you come here, all my pre-cooked meals. My fridge, I got rid of a lot of stuff. So I have here grapes. I have cherry tomatoes here, blueberries at the back, and hot dog. Like I said, I don't really have a system right now, and that's something that I need to work on. So, but for now, at least it's organized. I have my veggies here. And then there's nothing in the bottom. And then over here, I have juice. I have my juice, my kids' snack section, so I need to get more stuff over here. And then I just have like all my condiments and stuff, and I just have butter up here. I might move the butter over here, I'm not sure yet, but yeah. So all that's left really for the fridge is I need to desperately clean the outside. I don't know, you probably can't see that, but there's like water line right here going down. There's like white stuff, so it's actually really dirty. I need to clean in here and all that, and then I'll be done. So this is the state of my kitchen right now. I have to get rid of all this stuff. Oh, this was my son's birthday cake. That it was his birthday last week Friday, and we still have some cake left over. He's not gonna eat this. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna eat this, but I don't want to throw it away, so I'm gonna keep it in the fridge for a couple of more days. Maybe I'll probably cut a piece for his dad, but yeah. I'll show you guys how messy my kitchen is right now. And oh, the mats that were in the fridge, I think I'm gonna have to throw these out and get new ones, because I doubt these stains are gonna go away. But I will try and see if I can clean them off and put them back in there. But that means I would have to take out everything again. I don't know, we'll see. I might just have to throw them out and get new ones, because like this one is disgusting. There's no way I'm putting this one back. This one is pretty dirty too, so I don't know, we'll see. So I'm just gonna clean the outside of the fridge, and then I'll show you. So what I'm gonna be using for my fridge is, once again, my vinegar mix. I've tried everything else. My fridge is not like a shiny one. It's almost matte, but so I've tried a bunch of stainless steel cleaners, and they would leave like a weird finish on the fridge. So I decided to try this one day, and it worked so amazingly well. It doesn't leave any streaks, like nothing. So this is what I've been using to clean the outside of my fridge, and you saw that I also use this to clean the inside of my fridge. So that's what I'm going to do now, and then I'll come back.
Down to the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free.
It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the better below. You said myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I hurt myself for you. On the ground, I know the truth. I know the
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm just gonna finish cleaning up my kitchen. My kitchen is a hot mess right now. I need to go wake my daughter up and feed her. I need to go pick up my son. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like this video and turn on your notifications because I have a lot more coming.
So let's start.